Welcome back for Qualifier 2, Indian Royals versus Sri Lankan Lions from Madan Paliwal Mirage Sports Centre. And this was a spin of the coin. Indian Royals have won the toss. And these are both the teams. The new Namanoja and Vineet Saxena are the new guys. Scored a brilliant 108. Another guy in the street is toss-up delivery. Pushpa Kumara has got 980 first-class wickets to his name. So he is a very seasoned campaigner. Oh, that's what we have been talking about.
Sari coming up with the last ball. Pitched up, hoiked over square leg. Will it go for a 4? No, it's been fielded by the fielder. First ball of the second over has been hoiked up the air in no man's land, and that's the first boundary of the innings. Ball one wide down the this is the ball you got to be very careful about from Pushpa Kumara.
He was really off balance. Rahul Yadav out for 2. Oh, that's up in the air, and that's a big wicket. That is why I'm saying he has the golden arm. He has the knack of picking up wickets. Namanoja out for 10, 17 for 2.
He's using his wrist. What a shot that one is. Is there a player there? But he clears the boundary. They're not looking good. 24 for 2 at the moment. A short ball outside the off stump and whacked away towards the covers.
Oh, superb. Beautiful shot. How much rolling you give? Oh, mighty close. Mighty close. Ooh, if that hasn't hit the bat. Oh, that's a freebie. Absolute warm-up delivery outside leg stump.
Oh, what a shot there.
Gamagi used to be a tear-away fast bowler.
Oh, that one is very close. That was very close. Is that... What a shot that one is. Pitched up. Oh, and that is straight in the hands of the fielder. For Vikum Sanjaya, Yogesh Nagar goes for 28.
Oh, that's brilliant placement down the ground.
To make out that one. And he takes the area. That's a rare... the keeper misses it. That's a ball. Dilshan coming up. That is the top edge. Will it go into the hands of the fielder? Yeah! What a catch that has been. What a catch. This is one of the best you've ever seen.
Faiz Faisal will have to depart 41. Royals 100 for 4.
Oh, that was up in the air and it was a straightforward chance. Another wicket goes down. Jagati out for 9, 102 for 5. Man for all season. Oh, that's nicely hit. That is nicely hit for 4. Oh, that's up in the air. Straight to the fielder who makes no mistake. Another wicket goes down. And who picks up the wicket? Sanjaya, who's known to bowl well in the slog overs.
It is to get rid of Bipul Sharma for 10.
Oh, look at that. It was in his slot. And a maximum, a huge hit by...
Nicely played. Educated edge, got to be said. It was deliberate.
There it goes. Up in the air. Is it? No, over the mid-wicket for a maximum.
Inside the stadium in the air. Thisara Perra converging from extra cover. And drops it. That was a difficult task.
That's up in the air. And loses his wicket. And the problem is with this is Manpreet Goni stays at the non-striker end. That is a big blow to them.
Saxena gone for 8. Draws 145 for 7. Last ball. Length delivery. Gets the top edge. Vikum Sanjay says mine. And he drops it. He could have easily taken in his professional career 9 out of 10 times. Another occasion. The smile says it all. At the halfway mark, Sri Lankan Lions will be the happiest side. Sri Lankan Lions, they're going to make 149 in a lot of 20 overs. Required rate of 7.45.
The last game. But today, the problem is it's a knockout game. But comes the art, comes the man. Oh, that's up in the air. Only a single. To a point. That's nicely played on the up. Very well fielded. Good cricket all around. The wrist play. Oh, that is up in the air. Up in the air. And wonderfully taken by Bipul Sharma. That is what it is. That is what Manpreet Kohli does.
Get their first breakthrough. Francisco goes for 1. Lions 2 for 1.
That's nicely played. Beautifully through covers for 4. What a start. That's nicely bowled. Look at him. It's up in the air. Oh, misjudged it. Sudeep Tyagi. It was a missed opportunity. He went for a cut. Got an uppercut. Straight to the fielder, who missed the flight of the ball. That's nicely bowled. Straight past the bowler for 4. That is what he specializes. Oh, look at that. It was a free hit. Took full advantage of it. Dilshad to spin bowling. Oh, that's up in the air. Up in the air. 1 bounce 4.
For the Indian Royals. Yeah! Is that out? Is that out? Is that a nick? On the square. That's a rightful toss. And that's dispatched away for 6 on a good length. That's a very good ball. And that is the wicket that needed. Marvin Fernando goes. Bipul Sharma takes the wicket.
Out for 18. 59 for 2. Oh, that's a near thing. That is a near thing. Oh, umpire thought otherwise.
Oh, it's going to be a close one. They really had to scamper through here.
Mighty close. Yep, he's a gunner. I reckon he will be gone. That's my call. Huge. Millimeters out. No 6 sixes today. In fact, just a 6 of 7. It's 71 for 3.
From 44. That's a beauty. That is brilliant there from Dilshan. Guess on it if he had a choice. And that's brilliant down the ground from Dilshan. There's one again, flatter delivery, but on the legs. Yeah! And there it is, the breakthrough. Karanveer comes in, and he gets the wicket of Lakshan. He looks to create space.
They needed a wicket. Lakshan gone for 4. The Lions 100 for 4.
Whether he stepped out or not, it was way. Look at that. Cleaned up. Went for a slog sweep. Missed the line completely. And Jakati
A slog shot. Arul Anthony goes for 4 of 7.
missed the line. That's nicely played. Good use of feet. Beautifully played. Only a single. Need a couple of big shots. That's up in the air. That is up in the air. Straight to the fielder. And who made no mistake. Bipul Sharma picks up another wicket. Yogesh Nagar did not make a mistake. He's out for 69. 108 for 6. You can't play through the line. That's nicely played. Straight to the fielder. Very well fielded. Need big shots. That's another single that are not going to hurt them. Oh, there is a little bit of misunderstanding. And looks like yes, no, and now sorry. Yes, he is to walk back home.
Vikram Sanjaya goes for 1. We got to 33 of 3 overs because of Goni. That is what they are helping now. He has been for Sri Lanka.
Nicely hit. Oh, there is a misfielding. Yeah! That's a near thing. That is a near thing. And yes, another wicket goes down. Wicket number 8 goes down. Out for 9. 119 for 8. Ball is last over. That's nicely hit. Up in the air. Up in the air. Fielder under it. And makes no mistake. Wicket number 9 goes down. Bipul Sharma.
Lahiru Gamage goes for 1.
On Sri Lankan Lions back. Oh, that's nicely hit. Oh, straight to field. Oh.
Catch in his hands. Now trying to heave again. Gets that one in the arc. That is absolutely out. Third, Bipul Sharma. That is the shot they wanted. This goes over the ropes. Be doing well. The last one coming in. Goni bowls in the stumps. Get a wicket of Pushpa Kumara, and the Indian Royals have done it. What a win. A low scoring game, that one. Royals being 148 for 7 and get the Lions out for 136. Parvez Maruf is going to be very unhappy with this thing.
Asian Legends League. Indian Royals advanced to the finals after defeating Sri Lankan Lions.
Managed 136 all down. Dilshan gets 69, that's on the prize wicket. And Goni gets 2, Bipul gets 2, Jakati gets 2.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.